Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand image with Mailchimp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account, visit the Mailchimp website and create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Audience tab. Here, you can manage your contact lists effectively. Make sure to keep your audience data organized. Next, go to the Campaigns section. Click on Create Campaign to start a new project. Select the type of campaign you want, such as an email or ad. Choose a template that aligns with your brand's visual identity. Customize the template with your brand colors and fonts. Add engaging content that reflects your brand message. Make sure to include your logo prominently in the design. Next, click on Settings to configure your audience and tracking options. Set up tracking to understand how your audience engages with your content. Review your campaign to ensure everything aligns with your brand guidelines. Use the preview feature to see how your email will look on different devices. Once you're satisfied, click on the Send button to launch your campaign. After sending, monitor the results in the Reports section. Use these insights to refine future campaigns. Regularly update your audience list to maintain engagement. Ensure compliance with branding standards in all communications. Consider creating automated workflows for consistent brand messaging. Maintain a schedule for regular communication to keep your audience informed. Utilize Mailchimp's social media integration to extend your brand reach. Engage with your audience through targeted and personalized messages. Protecting your brand image is an ongoing process. Utilize Mailchimp's tools to make your marketing efforts effective and cohesive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.